We're a trade school and we like to train young entrepreneurs, and this ties in perfectly with what we are trying to teach at school, and creating that mindset of business opportunities is like a bus. There's always the next one coming.
I think the $20 Boss will help our students in preparing them for industry, in particular our students who are looking for employment opportunities and building on those sort of critical thinking skills, problem solving. So a lot of those skills that employers are looking for, so it's a great opportunity in putting it into their resume when they're seeking those apprenticeship opportunities.
I think that what $20 Boss has given me today is to show how this subject can be really fun, really interactive, and I know that when you're having fun you learn. And I think students appreciate having fun as well, learning new things, putting it into practice, being able to ask questions on the go with the material that they're learning and see that it's real world learning.
The $20 Boss program is being utilised by over 500 schools in Australia now, and it is a program that can be run from Year 5 right through to Year 12. Now the $20 Boss program, students learn and build their enterprise skills, their entrepreneurial thinking skills, as well as their business and financial literacy. So the program is all about students connecting with the sustainable development goals, to understand those goals from other people's perspectives, to come up with the problem they'd like to solve, and then from there they actually come up with their own solution and prototype that solution, and then even take that solution to a market day. So a key part of $20 Boss is that students see the outcome of their idea. They're able to interact with customers, they're also able to sell their product, and importantly understand the financial aspects of that, costing their product, making their product, and looking at the profit and loss as well. And $20 Boss is a really great way to get every type of student engaged with entrepreneurial learning, because they really get the sense of, I'm in this, I'm passionate about this, I get to build something, and I also get to sell it and actually have a look at the social impact I can make through a product.
I think the $20 Boss program will really benefit our community in the sense that we're a trade school, we're an industry connected school, and so anything that helps our kids to become work ready and prepared for the industries of the future is going to be a good thing. And just that ability for them to have that freedom to think creatively, and for our kids really use their talents and hobbies that they have to show off what they can do, and to be celebrated for that, I think will be really good.
Students come to us because they want to be able to do hands-on learning, and I think that this subject enables them to create something at the end that they can show and be proud of as well.
The benefit to our students is that they'll be gaining enterprise skills, but also gaining a really clear understanding of how much work it takes to actually run a business. When they start their own enterprises, they'll realise how much time, effort and commitment is required, and so I think that will help them to better understand their role as students on work experience as well.
I think the $20 Boss program will benefit our students and our wider community by bringing more entrepreneurial skills towards their trade pathways and futures. Being a trade school, they have those necessary skills, but we're trying to improve industry leaders, and those extra skills can really take them to the next level in their learning.
If you do have crazy ideas, you can rein it back in and get realistic, and then go, oh, okay, so now, how are we going to apply this to $20 Boss, or how are we going to make this be something that can be, sold or built around $20?